Best Linux printer. If you use the Linux operating system and you are in a search of the best printer for Linux, then your search ends here. There are many factors to look for when it comes to choosing the Linux printer. That said, we have done the hard work for you and made the list of top 5 printers that you can use with Linux. After this article, we are sure you will be able to make a solid decision that will fully match your requirements. With that said, let's get started. Number 1. Brother Monochrome Laser Printer. Print more, weight less. Engineered for increased efficiency with class-leading print speeds of up to 32 pages per minute. Dynamic features meet your evolving needs. The 250-sheet paper capacity helps improve efficiency with less refills and handles letter and legal-sized paper. The manual feed slot offers flexible paper handling for a variety of papers and sizes, such as cardstock, envelopes, etc., to help you create professional-looking documents. Number 2. HP OFFICEJET Pro. Replacing the HP OFFICEJET Pro 6968, this home office printer offers faster printing at 20 pages per minute, includes fast color copy, scan, and fax for increased productivity, and is 14% smaller. Organize documents 50% faster. Eliminate steps in repetitive tasks and sync to QuickBooks, Google Drive, and more using Smart Tasks, the easiest way to digitize and organize receipts and business documents on your phone. The HP Smart app allows you to easily set up this wireless printer, scan documents with your camera, and print from social media or the cloud, such as iCloud, Google Drive, and Dropbox. Number 3. Brother Compact Monochrome Laser. Compact but highly productive, perfectly sized to fit on smaller desks or tight spaces, the Brother Compact Black and White Laser Printer is the perfect solution for the busy home or small office with a 250-sheet paper capacity optimized for speed. Loaded with new features, the HLL2370DWXL Compact Laser Printer is optimized for efficiency, allowing you to print up to 36 pages per minute, a class leader, too. Number 4. HP Envy Photo 7855 All-in-One Photo Printer. Stunning photos for less than 5 cents. Features of this photo printer include print, scan, copy, fax, borderless and wireless printing, SD card slot, auto document feeder, plus photo prints for less than 5 cents with HP Instant Ink, subscription required. The power of your printer in the palm of your hand. Mobile printing from your device such as iPhone with AirPrint, or print without a network using wireless direct printing. Number 5. Canon IMAGECLASS Monochrome Wireless Laser Printer. The Canon IMAGECLASS is an easy-to-use, wireless, single-function laser printer that is an ideal solution for a home or small office environment. The compact, space-saving design delivers professional quality output in one small footprint. This printer delivers exceptional black and white laser output at speeds of up to 19 pages per minute, with your first print in your hands in 8 seconds or less. Wireless connectivity allows you to print from almost anywhere in your home or office. Check out the customer reviews and full description of the product. The link is given on the description below.